What's good, squad? Welcome back to another day. It is our last and final day here in the Bahamas, Paradise Island. We're getting ready to hop on a flight. How many guys do this when you're about to leave a place? You got your bags all packed up, and then you have a bunch of little items like toothpaste and stuff that you just stick in the top of the luggage. I do it every time. How you doing? Yeah, one more little one here too.
This is good.
Bye, Ryan.
Okay, let me get you this pen.
Kind of took them off already.
Are you ready to take it off?
Yeah, we threw them away in there.
It was a pleasure to meet you guys.
All right, we've checked out, leaving the hotel, getting ready to hop in a taxi cab, head to Nassau Airport. You ready? Let's go. Sad to leave, but happy to head home.
Just stay with your head, baby. Just stay with your head.
Okay, headed to the airport.
You doing, sir?
Doing well, how are you, man?
Good. I have to be there at 8:30 for them. They tell me too early. They tell me come at 9. What airline you going to do?
What's that?
What airline?
Delta. Yep, sure is. Won't be the last time, though. KFC here. We are world famous for chicken. That graveyard right there is where Anna Nicole Smith was buried, apparently. Who else?
Tiger Woods.
So Oprah Winfrey, John Travolta, Shaquille O'Neal, and Tiger Woods all have houses here in the Bahamas.
And after you learn it yourself.
Yep. It was great meeting you, man.
Okay, I'm Norman.
Thanks for the support.
Okay, my pleasure.
What was your name?
Norman.
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 It's great meeting you, man. Okay, so we've arrived to the airport. That was our taxi driver, Norman. Super nice dude. We actually stopped and picked up his wife on the way to the airport. That was the first, but she was really nice too. And then they checked out the channel, and we just made some new fans. They've got kids, they're gonna check it out. Super cool. You ready to fly home? Let's go. For when Andre the Giant needs to charge his phone? So confused. So this is Nassau International. Nice. I'm extremely confused by that outlet that's like 20 feet off the ground. Why would there be an outlet that high on that pole? See it? Who could plug something in up there?
No, he didn't like his fin to be smudged.
I let those people go in front of us because their flight is at 11 and it's 10:55. I don't know if they're gonna make that one. Their flight board's in 5 minutes and they still gotta go through customs. Thank you. Just got reprimanded by security for recording in the security area. So they made me go through my camera and delete the footage. That's a first. Gotta respect the rules, I guess. Or not. Oh my goodness. Good luck. Those are the people that we let go in front of us that were trying to get to their flight by 11. There you go. We're through security, we're through customs. Now we are in this restaurant getting a quick bite to eat for lunch before we hop on the plane to fly to Atlanta International Airport. Got a layover there. Shout out to Nassau Airport for having free Wi-Fi. So I don't really know why the flight's delayed, and as a passenger, honestly I don't really care. I just want the plane to be here on time. But as always, turn a negative situation into a positive one. Great opportunity to shoot some time lapses. Plane's here. We're boarding. What are those? Okay, made it on the plane. Apparently it's raining outside. Ready? Let's go.
Star number 1, we'd like to ask our flight attendants please prepare for departure.
approximately 3:20. Please remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate, and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating that we have been parked. Before you leave us here, please remember to check around your seats and in the overhead compartments for any personal items that you might have brought on board with you. If you are making connections here, we strongly advise that you look at the large plasma screen in the gate area as you deplane for your very latest flight information. If you don't see what you need to know, the agent that meets this flight will be happy to help you. Also, as you walk in...
Okay, made it to ATL, walking through the airport, headed to our next gate. I think we got about an hour layover. It'd be longer, so we would have time to get dinner, but our flight was delayed, so it is what it is. We're on our way. This airport is an international hub, so there are tons of people here. So we are currently in Concourse D, and we need to be in Concourse C. So we're hopping on the plane train. Come on.
Oh, plane train.
Because it's a train that takes you to planes. Okay, we have arrived in Concourse C. Headed to our gate. Okay, made it to our gate to fly to Louisville. Time-lapse time. This is the second flight delay today. First plane was delayed, second plane's delayed. Well, this delay is a lot longer. Come on, Delta. So I realize Atlanta airport is the busiest airport in the world, but today really shows. 30 minutes later, still in Atlanta. If I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. This is why you fly private. This is why I need a jet. This is why I need a private jet. It's like every time I fly commercial, flight delays. Every single time. So we finally got on the flight after waiting like another 5-10 minutes, like on the little gate thing. What is that called that you get on? Bridge? The bridge that takes you to the plane? Yet another reason to fly private. But then we get to our seat and here's our view. It's the engine. What kind of ghetto nonsense is this? Airport.
Then we go sit in the other cockpit and you look up there and you can grab that. Just like you're flying the plane.
Awesome.
To get a good picture, yeah, you can turn that. So you turn it left and right like you're driving a car. Except this one you get to pull up and the houses get smaller and you push down and the houses get bigger.
That's a good way to put it.
You push those up, that's like a gas pedal on a car. That's our throttle, our engines.
That's awesome.
Good picture here. You know,
oh yeah, you gotta have a pilot hat on. That's good. What an awesome job, man.
Here's a set of wings.
Oh, great.
It's got a pin on the back, so watch out a little bit. And there's a little card that gives you some information about the plane you flew on today.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming
Appreciate
and
it.
visiting.
Thank you. Ready, Freddie? Well, that was fun. Okay, so that pilot that let Ava sit in the cockpit of the plane single-handedly restored my faith in Delta Airlines. Shout out to that guy.
I've never gotten a card before.
I know, it's awesome. It's a hologram too. There it is.
God, you're big.
I like how it has a tag that says heavy on it.
What did you say?
It looks like the little battery thing on this camera is broken. Might be time for a new camera. Brand new everything. Gotta get a new phone, new camera. Got my feet back on solid ground. What's up? We just got back to the car. I forgot I left the hoverboard in there. What up, girl? You wanna ride? Don't go too fast now. So I just realized I haven't driven in like a week. When I was in California on that trip, I rented a car, so I was driving all week. This is like the longest I have not driven a car, and feels weird. I didn't realize it. Okay, I'm back in the element. Yeah, it's hot here in Kentucky right now. Feels like the Bahamas. We're headed to the hospital. Let's go. How you doing? Okay, we just arrived here to Norton Suburban Hospital. Headed inside now. Okay, headed upstairs.
Okay, I'll take a picture of the one I've got.
Baby shark is really soft.
Okay.
Good. Handle like this.
We should hopefully have a baby tomorrow. They're not allowing kids under 12 back in the room, so Ava had to wait out here. Very patiently waited and made Hannah a picture. So the baby is not here yet. It's almost here. And I didn't vlog in the room because that, you know, it just wasn't. All right, so we are home safe and sound. I don't think I've vlogged since we got home. We're home! You excited to be home? We got a bunch of packages. It is mail time right now. Big shout out to Nana, my mom, for collecting all our mail while we're gone. Much appreciated. Thank you, lady. I was trying to open packages the Casey Neistat way. All right, guys, we are home. It is the next day. Back from the Bahamas. The battery on this camera is about to die, so I'm gonna make this a really brief outro. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. Let me know you're here. Until next time, thank you for coming back to Evan Era Vlogs, where anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.
Oh my god.
Wow. That was awesome.